Welcome to our online expo, our online solution for the Interpack 2020. If you have any questions, you can scroll down on the website and you can contact us through WhatsApp for Business, a video call, of course the phone call, or in our chat box. We go now to Gerrit-Jan. Gerrit-Jan, take it away.
Fantastische stroopwafel Roos. Ik blijf het maar zeggen hoor. Het is echt fantastisch. Echt geweldig. Oh, hey. Good morning. We already started here in our factory here in Nijverdal. We have a live Interpack show. Our live Interpack show is like that because we cannot do the real Interpack show. We are not there, we cannot be there, nobody can be there. But what we have done is we put all the new developments in a row and make sure that you get all the information you need. On the screen behind me, you see our salespeople. And just now, live, try it. Push one of the buttons here of the sales guys and you will be in contact with them. And they will tell you everything what you need to know about our machines. We are more than happy to announce our new machines and we're more than happy to serve you, as we always do, with the best we can. But let's go ahead and start with the Combiplast.
Well, thank you, Gerrit. Yes, indeed, this is the Combiplast and the main introduction for the Interpack show. And what we've done is we completely redesigned the outside of the machine. And as you all probably know, is the Combiplast has been our bestseller for the last 20 years. And during the last 20 years, we produced over 700 of them. The last 20 years, continuously, the inside of the machine evolved, but the outside actually we changed it, or we never changed it very much. And to make the machine ready for the next 20 years, we decided to make a redesign of the outside. This has been the result, and as you see, it's still one of the most compact case erectors with integrated back inserters in the world. The outside didn't change regarding the square feet of the machine, but the looks are completely different. As you see, we will supply the machine from today on in fully stainless steel frame. But the key features still has been the same. So I will make you a short demonstration how this machine is working. For example, you can reload empty cases, empty blankets very easily, like this. On this side of the machine you will see the back insertion module. The back insertion module has two sides. So when one side is empty, it turns around fully automatically and it continues producing. We also changed the HMI display of this machine. For example, when there is a failure, I push the emergency button, a red beam appears, I click on it, and hey, suddenly you see where is the problem. So there's an explanation here with a picture, so everybody knows what to do to make the machine reset again. I will restart it again, push on the button, and make you a short demonstration how the machine is working. So what you see on the left sides, on two sides of the cases, we erect the carton. And why we do that? To make sure it's exactly 90 degrees erected. Then it goes to the right side of the machine and you will see that the bag will be inserted on the four corners of the box. Regarding the bag, that's a very nice feature of the machine. We use very thin bags, meaning you can process bags from 10 microns up to whatever you want. But the the nice thing is that you can reduce a lot on your packaging cost. Also, we have some other nice things. For example, we could integrate a hot melt module. And the nice thing with hot melt is that you don't need tape again and that the machine can run 24 hours non-stop. So with the two-side bag magazine and the hot melt glue, you don't need to stop your machine for a refill. The disadvantage of hot melt once in a while is that the nozzle will get blocked and no glue comes out of the nozzle anymore. In that case, you can always switch back to the tape function within a few minutes. The back side of the machine, by the way, very good. I almost forgot that. And I forgot to say one of the main key points of the machine, the main advance, is the door. If you open this door, the machine is still running. On the back side, so if you open the door, you can easily reload a full package of bags inside the bag magazine. You put it straight and you're ready for the next half an hour. Optionally, as you see, it's two sides, but optionally we can also integrate a four-sided bag magazine. Well, thank you very much for your attention. This was our new Combiplast, ready for the next 20 years. And if you are curious about how many you can save with our new Combiplast, then don't hesitate to call my friends from sales or myself, and we will make you a calculation how many you can save. And don't forget, a prefab bag is always cheaper than a bag from roll.
Erwin, thank you very much for this wonderful explanation. Now we go to our next machine. We call him James. We did not find a better name for him. He doesn't like the name. So we dare you to come up with a much better name, and you will be surprised how you will be rewarded. So there's Freek-Jan. Freek-Jan knows everything about little James, and he's more than happy to tell you everything. Freek-Jan, go ahead.
Thank you, Gerrit-Jan. First, I want to show you the James in action. So, this is James, our self-driving vehicle. With a speed up to 1.1 meter per second, we also call him our self-driving Ferrari. As you can see, we are using our modular box transport on top of this self-driving vehicle. This, of course, has a big advantage that you don't have conveyors fixed in your facility. So you are using the space as efficient as possible. The SDV can maneuver around people and obstacles because it has its integrated built-in sensors and cameras. In this way, this robot and self-driving vehicle always knows where it is inside the building. I hear you think, how does it know where to go? Well, that's quite easy. You can download and upload a CAD file into the robot of your building. In this way, you don't have to place wires and expensive sensors into your facility, so it's actually a quite easy way to program it. With a maximum payload of 200 kilograms and a runtime of approx 10 hours, it's perfectly fit to do the job. If you have any questions about James, you can always ask our sales team in a video call. They are live now and you can see it at the bottom. At this page you can go, and let's take it back to Gerrit-Jan.
Thank you, Freek-Jan, for introducing us to James. Thank you, James. James is heading now to the Olaf. The Olaf is a new machine for the oil and fats, will be introduced by Maarten Jansen. Maarten, tell us everything about this beauty.
Thank you, Gerrit-Jan, for introducing me and Olaf. Olaf is a semi-liquid filling machine for a lot of different kind of products like margarine, cocoa butter, cocoa mash, shea butter, palm oil, etc. It's not only boxes what you can fill, but also buckets. And the nice thing about it is that you don't need any changing tools. So it's completely auto-adjustable. When you change to another packing format, the Olaf, we use lifts to bring the boxes or buckets up and down. And that's why you don't need any additional tools. Besides, it's very easy to operate, it's very easy to access as well. Look, with this movable conveyor, and this big door. You have easy access to the machine for cleaning or maintenance or whatever you like. Products come from the tank, it goes down and it's divided by a big valve. When there is a box beneath the filling head, the valve opens the filling head and starts gross filling up to 95%, 96%, approximately like that. Then it starts with fine dosing, and while fine dosing, we start on the other side with gross filling again from the other box. Once the weight is reached, we can have an accuracy of plus minus 20 gram. The box will be discharged and will be fed by a new box. When you need a turnkey solution, we can supply from case erecting, back inserting, and very important, very nice back inserting. So when you fill your product and it becomes solid, you create a perfect block of your product. To complete the rest of the line, we have a bucket destacker as well, also a lid applicator. Furthermore, we use separately heated drip trays, so you can change the temperature of the drip trays exactly to the temperature it should be and related to your product. We have the option for a clean-in-place system, so SIP, and it has also the possibility to integrate its own hot water supply. So when your fabric don't have any hot water supply, we can create our own heating system in our piping. All of our piping are jacketed or double-walled, whatever how you say it. Also the filling heads are heated. So when you have no boxes, for example, or no buckets, the product doesn't get solid into your filling head, so it doesn't block the flow of the product. I think when you need more information, please contact me or contact my colleagues or whatever. Challenge us, take care, stay healthy, and we will be in touch. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Martin, for introducing Olaf to us. So now we are going to a last innovation we have to announce, but not before I pick up a stroopwafel from Fons. Thank you very much. This fan, we always have it at the exhibitions. We create beautiful, nice stroopwafels. We are not bakers, but all our customers, they love it. Can you imagine how good our machines are? But that's enough talking. Let's go to see the next innovation, introduced by Job ten Berge, called the Palletizer.
Thank you, Gerrit-Jan, for introducing me to tell something about our palletizing system. After a box is closed by a box closer, the box has to be palletized onto a pallet. This can be done manually, but also automatically with our robot system. Due to our special design grippers, not only cartons can be palletized, but also crates, jerry cans, buckets, and many more products onto a pallet. Always problem-free and perfectly stable. Next to the automatic palletizing, we can extend this line with pallet destacker for automatic pallet supply, layer sheets, stretch wrapping, pallet labeling, and is our system always prepared for integration into your ERP system. Like all other machines of Niverplast, is the palletizing also 100% Niverplast design. It's robust, compact, to also implement this system into small areas. We're happy to help your palletizing needs, and if you have something specific, please challenge us.
Job, thank you very much for introducing the Palletizer. We have come to an end of our live stream. If you have any questions, you can scroll down to the website and ask the questions through WhatsApp, Teams, so with a video call, or just the normal phone. If you have any ideas for other live stream, maybe we can improve business together. I hope to see you all soon. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.